Okay, let's be real for a second. Are you totally sick of hunting down a stamp, writing out a paper check, or blowing your entire lunch break standing in a huge line down at City Hall every single month? Yeah, it's a super common frustration, but today we're gonna fix it. Welcome to this explainer, where we're gonna walk through the incredibly simple, completely stress-free process of taking control of your City of Fresno utility bills online. Seriously, by the time we finish up here, you are going to be completely set up to handle all your payments right from the comfort of your couch. If you're dealing with the sheer, absolute inconvenience of those old-school bill-paying methods, you're in the right place. We're going to dive into a highly secure, major time-saving digital solution today. We're going to break the whole shebang down into crystal-clear, actionable steps. That way, even if you're a total beginner to online portals, you'll be navigating this system like an absolute pro. So here is our roadmap for today. 1. Ditching the paper bill. 2. Setting up your account. 3. Exploring payment and scheduling options. 4. Tracking usage and savings. And finally, 5. Troubleshooting and support.
Section 1. Ditching the paper bill. Convenience at your fingertips.
The City of Fresno has officially rolled out these electronic billing and payment services to make managing your utilities easier, way faster, and honestly a lot more eco-friendly. Not only does this save you the annoying cost of postage every month, but it also gives you instant access to your account data. You know what that means? Absolutely no more guessing when your check is finally going to clear the bank.
Section 2. Setting up your account. Secure and simple. Go ahead and grab your latest paper statement, because we are going to walk through creating your secure online profile on the First Choice portal. You'll just navigate over to fresnoutilities.firstbilling.com to get started. And actually, registering is incredibly intuitive. It's just 4 really simple steps. First, you just type in your account number directly from that bill you grabbed. Second, punch in the 5-digit zip code for your service or billing address. Third, make up a unique username, anywhere between 6 and 50 characters. And finally, you just set up your password.
Now, here is a massive pro tip to help you avoid those really frustrating login errors right off the bat. Make absolutely sure you are using your 12-digit hyphenated Fresno account number. It's going to look like 6 digits, a dash, and then 6 more digits. Because Fresno is practically hugging Clovis, people mix up the formats all the time. Clovis uses an 8-digit format that starts with an A. If you accidentally try to use a Clovis-style number in the Fresno portal, the system is going to completely reject it. So double-check those numbers.
All right, a quick but absolutely crucial point regarding security. To protect your personal and financial data, the portal doesn't mess around. It requires a highly secure password. You have to hit all of these specific rules. You need a minimum of 12 characters, at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. It might seem a little strict, but this kind of robust security infrastructure is exactly what keeps your transaction data completely locked down from unauthorized access.
Once you're securely logged in, you'll see that navigating the portal is a total breeze. And get this, if you're a property manager, or maybe you just have multiple service locations, like your house and a small business, you can easily link all of them under a single login. You just hit the Manage Accounts dropdown right there in your dashboard, and you can seamlessly jump back and forth between your properties without having to log in and log out every single time.
Section 3. Payment and scheduling options. Flexibility and control.
Now that your account is perfectly set up, let's explore how you actually pay this thing and how to schedule payments to fit your busy life. Here is a breakdown of your primary online payment options, and you're going to want to pay close attention to the fees. eCheck, which is just an ACH bank transfer directly from your checking account, has a super low flat fee of just 89 cents, and it boasts a massive transaction limit of $10,000. On the flip side, using a credit or debit card is going to hit you with a 2.3% service fee, and that caps out at $5,000 per transaction. Keep in mind, these fees don't go to the city, they go straight to the payment processor. So choosing the eCheck option is a brilliant little efficiency hack to save yourself some cash over time.
If you want the ultimate stress reliever, setting up autopay is exactly what you need. This just means establishing a recurring payment every single month. Your bill literally handles itself. It completely eliminates any worry of late fees, even if you're out of town on vacation or just happen to be forgetful. You can easily set this up right inside your dashboard using either your card or your bank routing number.
Now, for ultimate on-the-go convenience, you have got to check out the text-to-pay feature. It's amazing. You can actually choose to get your billing notification sent right to your smartphone via text message. You just reply to the text to accept the amount, and boom! You can either pay it immediately or schedule it for a future date. You can quite literally handle your city utilities while you're standing in line at the grocery store.
How cool is that?
Section 4. Tracking usage and savings. Keep money in your pocket. Moving way beyond just paying the bill, going digital actually opens up ways to save some serious money and make your household way more efficient. For instance, did you know about the city's water and solid waste affordability credit program? Qualified low-income customers can actually save up to a maximum of $120 every year. That breaks down to a $5 monthly credit for water and another $5 for solid waste. Just keep in mind, this is funded on a strict first-come, first-served basis for about 8,300 accounts annually, and yes, you do have to reapply every year.
Now, to truly master your water consumption, you really want to check out the Ion Water tool. If you head over to fresno.ionwater.com or just download their separate mobile app, you can actually monitor your household water consumption in real time. It's like a fitness tracker for your pipes. You can even overlay local weather data to figure out your habits. But the absolute best part, you can set up automated alerts. Catching a costly water leak early can easily save you hundreds of dollars and prevent those really painful enforcement fines for excessive water use.
Here's another fantastic efficiency tip. When you choose paperless e-billing, not only do you finally stop that mountain of physical clutter piling up on your kitchen counter, but the portal actually stores 3 full years, a rolling 36 months, of instant, fully searchable payment history via PDF statements. And they provide all of that at absolutely no extra charge. It makes tracking your yearly expenses so incredibly easy.
Section 5. Troubleshooting and support. Help when you need it.
Look, even with a simple, secure system, roadblocks are just a part of life. So it's super important to know exactly where to turn for self-help and official support if things go sideways. There is a very important difference to remember here. If you have a regular account issue, maybe a login failure, a declined card, or you just have a quick question about your bill, use the digital help request form on the website. That routes your issue straight to the billing team. Conversely, that phone number ending in 2489, which actually spells out city, by the way, should be used exclusively if you have an actual physical 24-hour water or sewer emergency. Think like a burst pipe flooding the street.
But hey, what if you were just completely stuck on a payment, or the portal isn't playing nice, and you just really need to talk to a human being? Don't worry. The utilities billing and collection staff are wonderfully helpful, and they are just a quick phone call away at 559-621-6888. Just remember, they are only in the office during regular business hours, which is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
So, now that you're fully empowered to handle your bills digitally, track your real-time usage to catch leaks, and lock down your personal data, the only real question left is what are you going to do with all that extra time and money you saved this year just by making this simple digital switch? Quick disclaimer before we go. Municipal procedures, assistance programs, and processing fees can and do change over time, so always make sure to verify the absolute latest information directly through official City of Fresno sources. If this explainer helped you out today, take 5 minutes right now to go register your account online. I promise, your future self will thank you.